MISSYVAN, that's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely.
Hey guys, so as you can see from the thumbnail, I am doing an install of a pink lace front wig that I found on Amazon. Now I have never worn any color outside of black, brown, or like a light brown, so this is going to be something that's completely new to me. I have also never installed a wig as far as gluing it down, so that's also going to be new for me. But yeah, I've always wanted to try like different colors, like the pinks, pastels, and purples, things like that. But I've never did it, but I've always seen girls and thought like it was really cute. So I decided I wanted to try it for myself. Especially with everything that's going on. I've been feeling really blah. I haven't really left the house too often except for going to work and to the grocery store. So I wanted to do something to kind of make myself feel a little bit good and make myself look cute, because ever since my last video when I straightened my hair, I really haven't did anything with myself. So yeah, I said, why not? So I went on Amazon and I found a company that I wanted to try out, and it is the MISSYVAN. And the reason why I chose this company was because there were a lot of reviews. It was one of the most highest bought pink wigs on Amazon, and it had a lot of pictures so that I can see what it actually looked like on the girl. So I really liked that, but I will go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So I have not put this wig on at all. It is synthetic, but that's okay because I didn't spend a lot of money on it, of course, with it being synthetic. And I really didn't want to spend a lot of money on it considering I don't know how it's actually going to turn out. But yeah, so this is the inside. It has the combs, and then of course it has the lace, and this is the part. So I will probably make this part just a little bit wider and then put some concealer on it to kind of match my skin tone. But yeah, so this is what I'm going to be putting on. So I'm just going to take this actually it's a shirt. I'm going to take this off because I just washed my hair, and then I'm going to put my hair probably into pigtails, and then I will put this on. So yeah, my hair is still wet. Like I said, I just washed it, so, but that's okay. It's fine. I'm gonna put it in pigtails and then go from there. I'm really nervous. I'm really nervous right now because like I said, I've never done this before. So okay. I gotta do it though. I have to do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah. So, what first? be like, be like nothing because it's not gonna turn out right. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, so I know my chest is red, but I had some stuff on there I had to clean off, so don't mind that. But yeah, this wig sheds a lot, which is to be expected because it's synthetic. And basically what I did for my part is I put concealer down the middle of my part. I tried to pluck it as best as I could. Like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing, but I plucked it as much as I could, and then I put concealer down the middle. And then I basically used some of this black, and then I mixed it with some of this, I wanted to use a dark brown, but I didn't have a dark brown, so I put some of this on top of the black, and I just kind of put it on around the parts, and also I put it like on the edges of the wig just to give it that kind of ombre natural look. The purpose of this video, it was just to kind of show what the wig kind of looked like. I tried to do my edges. It is what it is. I kind of do want to put like a little bit of a curl in it. Let me get my flat iron and then we will see. Okay, I wonder, I really want to wear wigs to cover my hair since I do a lot with my hair and I want to kind of leave it alone, but I'm not again a professional, so I don't really know what I'm doing. Again, this is the first time that I've ever glued down my wig, so don't expect it to look too good. Maybe after the third, fourth, or fifth video, then maybe it'll look decent. This is all new to me, but it feels really secure, so much more secure than using 2 bobby pins. I want to try to put a curl in the front. You can see. See, I would probably just put bobby pins right here. I want to try to put a curl in the front. Can you give me 2 bobby pins? I'm going to put it on the lowest setting. Oh, I just turned it off. 2 bobby pins. Just 2. I actually like it.
Got 2 bobby pins.
Thank you. I'm gonna just smack these babies on in a bag. I can't find a place to put it. Okay, let's try a piece like right here, just in case it messes up. I think it will work. I think it will work on a higher setting. Okay, let me turn it on higher. Let's do a bottom piece. Let's do a bottom piece. Let's do I'm scared. Ooh, yeah, no. That's not gonna work. Dang. How am I trying to straighten a synthetic wig? Why? Edge booster. Smells good. Get out. Okay. No. Oh my God, this smells so good.
You have everything to make it lay down.
It smells good. I don't want to stop using it.
Let me smell. It smells.
Somebody take it from me. Ooh, it does work. Ooh, it does work. Ooh, it does work. Ooh. Okay, yeah, so I really like it. It's cool. So anyway, I really like the hair. This is definitely a night out type of hair. Couldn't foresee myself wearing this on a regular basis just because it gets really tangled due to it being synthetic. But overall, I really like the pink look. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please check out some more of my videos that I have, and please turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my uploads. Thank you guys for all your supports, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day.